Hey boys and girls, we are going to practice some dictation. You can use a whiteboard or a piece of paper, or there are some sheets you can print out on here to practice using our sound lines, and doesn't have to be that tricky. You can do it on anything you'd like. You can listen to me and think about the sounds that you hear and write the words, and then we'll blend them and read them, okay? So don't forget, when I say the word, you're going to repeat the word, and then we're going to pound it and tap it. So the first one that I'm going to do is the word dig. Dig. D-I-G. Dig. So on my first line, I hear D, D, D. Think about my B and my D hand. Which way does the D go? This way. D, I, G. Dig. All right. Think you can do that? All right. Here we go. The next word is pet. Pet. So I'm going to pound it. Pet. P-et. Pet. Now I'm going to write it. P-e. What do you hear there? And then the last sound, T. T. All right. How am I doing so far? Now I have dig and I have pet. All right. How about this one? Sip. Can I have a sip of that drink? Sip. Let's pound it and tap it. Sip. S-I-P. Sip. What sounds do you hear? Let's think about it. Let's read it. I hear S-I-P. Sip. Does yours look like mine? All right. Good work. The next one has the little squiggly line here. Anybody remember what the squiggly line is for? Ooh, that means it's a digraph. Digraphs are those H brothers. We've learned about one so far. We've learned about ch. So our word for number 4 is chop. Chop. Can you chop the lettuce? Chop. Ch-a-p. Chop. Can you write that one? Let's see. Chop. So I have chop. How about the next one? Hut. Hut. The little creature lived in a hut. Hut. We pound it. Hut. Hut. Here we go. What's that first sound I hear? Hut. Hut. Now let's try a sentence. At the bottom of my board here, you might notice I have a mountain here. And then I have a little square over here at the end. What is a mountain for? Does anybody remember what the mountain is for? Every sentence needs to start with what? Oh, yep, I heard somebody say it, a capital letter. So I have my mountain here to remind me to do my capital letter. Okay? Here's the sentence. I sat in the mud. So I'm going to pound it. I sat in the mud. Okay? Now I'm going to write it. I see a line here. I'm going to start. I'm going to put my uppercase I. Here we go. Sat. 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 Okay. I sat in the, oh, that's one of my red words. The mud. Let me pound that one out. Mud. D. Mud. I hear d. And I know that I need to end my sentence with some punctuation. So I'm going to put a period in that little box right there. Let me read my sentence. I sat in the mud. I sat in the mud. Oh gosh, I was probably pretty dirty. How does yours look? Does it look like mine? All right, let's read these words one more time. We have dig, dig, pet, sip, sip, chop, chop, hut, and now my sentence. I sat in the mud. I checked that I have my uppercase. Everything looks correct. And then I have my period. So I did my cups or cops. All right. I hope you did a good job on this. Thanks for watching.